How to make weekly income selling options, even with a small account. Think you need $100,000 to start making real money with options? Think again. In this video, I'll show you how to generate weekly income selling options, even if you're starting with a small account, like $500, $1,000, or $5,000. Let's break it down. Section 1: Why selling options beats buying. When you sell options, you're the house. You collect premium up front, and most options expire worthless, which means you keep the cash. While buying options is a gamble on direction, selling is about probability and consistency, and that's why it works, even with a small account. Section 2: Best strategy for small accounts. Cash secured puts. One of the best strategies for small accounts is selling cash secured puts. Let's say you have $1,000. You could sell a put on a lower priced stock, like Ford, SoFi, or OSCR, and get paid for agreeing to buy it at a discount. Example: sell a $12 put on Ford and collect $20. If it doesn't drop below $12, you keep the premium. Section 3: Picking the right strike and expiration. Don't just chase the biggest premium. Look for high open interest strike prices, 20 to 30% out of the money, 1-week expirations to maximize time decay. Stick to stocks with strong support zones and volume. Section 4: Scaling with the wheel strategy. Once you get assigned shares from a put, sell a covered call the next week. This is called the wheel strategy, and it's a loop that can create weekly income as long as you manage your risk. You're generating cash flow whether the stock moves or not. Section 5: Tips to succeed with a small account. Trade liquid stocks only. Keep position sizes small. Take profits early. Aim for 50% premium capture. Don't use margin. Stick to cash secured trades until your account grows. With the right mindset and strategies, you don't need a huge account to generate weekly options income. Focus on cash flow, manage your trades, and let compounding do its thing. Down finger like and subscribe for more tips, weekly trade ideas, and real-life examples from a real option seller.